How to create Messenger bot SMS template and assign sequence campaign for external subscribers. Hi, my name is Jamie, and today we are going to learn about how to create a Messenger bot SMS template and assign a sequence campaign for external subscribers. If you haven't already, be sure to sign up for your free trial at messengerbot.app. To get started with the SMS sequence, you've to create SMS templates first, then create SMS sequence campaigns. In your dashboard, select Broadcasting and click SMS Broadcasting. Click SMS Template Actions. Go to the SMS or email template section and click on the New Template button. A form will appear in a modal. Create SMS templates by providing information, such as the template name and content of the template. Then, click Save. Also, you can see the existing templates in the table from where you can view, edit, and delete templates. Besides assigning automatically SMS sequence to Messenger subscribers, now you can also create an SMS sequence campaign for your external subscribers and assign them manually with email SMS sequence campaigner add-on. So, let's get started. Create a sequence for external subscribers. Go to Broadcasting greater than Sequence Campaign greater than Actions and click on the Add Sequence button. And create a sequence campaign with the necessary information for external subscribers. Add campaign name, select sequence type, and select SMS API. Drop down to select SMS API type. Assign sequence time, such as 24 hours or daily SMS campaign. Then each time interval selects SMS template. In daily time sequence, you can select the starting time and closing time with the time zone. It has a number of days to perform the SMS campaign. Then, select SMS template and click Create Campaign. The campaign has been created successfully and click OK. Select Actions, then click 24-hour report. You can see the campaign report 24H report from the campaign table by clicking on the corresponding report icon. 24-hour campaign report summary. Every 30 minutes it will send an SMS sequence campaign. Base the selected time interval created. Summary of all the messages sent. Every hour. It contains subscriber ID, name, status of the message sent, date and time sent, then, response of the SMS sent. Summary of daily campaign report. Back in your dashboard, select Subscriber Manager and click Contact Book. Then, click Contact Book Actions. An overview of the contact book. Check the box of each contact. Then, select the option and click Assign Sequence. Select Sequence Campaigns and hit the Save Assign Sequence button. Sequence campaigns have been assigned successfully. You can also assign sequence campaigns manually to subscribers by click on the individual subscriber's action button. This is how we created the SMS template and assigning SMS sequences to your contacts. This is how to create the SMS campaign using SMS sequence. Every day it will send messages to your subscriber according to your SMS sequence selection. Now you're ready to make your SMS template and assign a campaign for your external subscriber using the Messenger bot application. Don't forget to sign up for your free trial at https://messengerbot.app/.